The streets pulse with energy, laughter fills the air, and the thousands of people, locals and travelers alike, wait eagerly for the signal. Then boom! A canvas fire, and suddenly the town is zoning in red. Welcome to La Tomatina, the world's biggest and most exhilarating food fight. Every year on the last Wednesday of August, Buñol transforms into tomato battleground. This is not just a random chaos, it's tradition, history, and pure joy rolled into one. The origins, a bit of mystery. Some say it began in 1945 when young people disrupted a parade hurling tomatoes at each other until authorities intervened. Others claim it started as a simple act of rebellion that turned into something much bigger. Whatever the true story is, what's certain is that La Tomatina is now a festival like no other. The rules? Simple. Squish before you throw. Nobody wants a hot tomato to the face. No tearing shirts. A rule that exists because, well, things can get wild. 1 hour of madness. Once the second canvas fires, the battle ends. For 60 minutes, it's a free-for-all. Arms wide, tomatoes splattering, and bodies covered in vibrant red. But despite the chaos, there's an unspoken camaraderie. Strangers become allies in the playful war, laughing as they dive into pools of tomato pulp. Then, just as quickly as it begins, it's over. The fire hoses come out, washing the town clean, and thanks to the natural acidity of tomatoes, the streets emerge fresher than before. Locals celebrate with post-fight feast, music, and dancing, because after all, this is Spain, where liberty is an art form. La Tomatina is not just a festival, it's an experience, a rush of adrenaline, Spain's love for joy, tradition, and spontaneous fun. If you ever find yourself in Buñol in late August, be ready. You won't just witness history, you will wear it, splattered across your face in the richest shade of red.